In my last tutorial, I created a Node MCU based Arduino coin miner. It is an awesome little miner that sits on my desk and mines few cents a day. However, adding these miners to my home network choked my Wi-Fi router. Home appliances and smart devices connected to the router constantly started dropping off. To my understanding, most of the wireless routers and access points can support up to 250 devices connected at once. So what's happening here? To clarify my doubts, I called my ISP. The answer they gave me was absolutely shocking. Only 30 devices can successfully connect and exchange data via their router at any given time. Bloody hell. So to overcome this limitation, I added another router to the network to scale up the load. But I was not happy with this solution. So I did a bit of research and found this nRF24L01 RF transceiver module, which I can use to create a mesh of wirelessly connected microcontrollers. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to use this transceiver module to add wireless communication between two or more Arduino boards. I will be using this module for many of my upcoming home automation projects. Bang, problem solved.